my damn sun peak folded down in front of my visor.
Oh, shit.
There we go.
I don't even know what the speed limit is on this road, so...
I don't either.
I'm assuming probably not 75, though.
Mine says we're doing 78.
I do 70.
Oh, there we go. I can live with 70 because it's probably 60, so they might just let us go.
Well, I mean, honestly, if we decided to take off, they couldn't really catch us.
Oh, there's always that option too, but they'll catch Amanda until I get it flashed, so I can't leave her.
Fuck you.
You'd have to turn a lot, and they won't. We're
going back to Hatfield right now.
I'm just being in a straight line. A cop car could do more than 135 miles an hour.
Yeah, we're going back to Hatfield right now.
I said okay. Like...
No, I'm not saying I would take off. But if I did...
I'm just saying there's a chance.
What the ass? I know who the fuck that was.
My license plate also helps a lot. I mean, that split second they might be able to see it. Oh yeah, this thing runs really cool. After those little sprints we were doing there, I'm sitting at 173 degrees.
Yeah, I'm at 171. I got your beat on the highway. This thing cools really good as long as you're moving, but you stop. Like, if we stop at a stop sign in town, I'll hit 200 before we start moving again. It like instantly goes up.
Yeah, mine doesn't.
I've checked the fluids, everything's great. It's got an oil cooler. You would think that it would be fucking fine, but then I got on the forums and everything, and they just run hot. Like, every one of them is mid-220s in town.
Imagine how hot that thing would run with bearings.
Yeah, the RSBs are a little worse. the RSB. It's I do want to, like, I want to see one of the new 1100 RSB boys back, because I kind of speaking my name a little bit. Ow! It's only pushing, 40 more horsepower than this now. Only 40, don't worry.
Well, I don't even know what this thing's at.
This should be about 170 at the rear wheel with the tuner that I put on it. According to the tuning website, Dyno. I haven't had this one on there, but obviously.
Yeah, now this...
With the exhaust and the tuner, 170-ish. If I switch the airbox, I can get almost 180 at the rear wheel, but I don't really want to spend $440 for an RSB4 airbox.
You see, this, I get mixed numbers when it comes to the factory power. Anywhere between 118 to 127. Yeah. And then, but everybody's pretty consistent on the factory 109 to the wheel.
Yeah. What's funny is that is exactly what Amanda's bike makes to the wheel. Is 109 from the factory.
Yeah. And I'm doing it with a 600. But I've also got 4 cylinders.
Yeah, that's true. One more.
Bird. But yeah, I had to go renew my license this morning, and to keep my CDL, I had to some kind of video I had to watch and take some kind of written test because now they're making it mandatory for all people with CDLs to watch a video and take a little 15 question test for truckers against trafficking.
That makes sense. And kinda, like, I mean, a decent human being probably isn't gonna be human trafficking, but, I mean, you know,
Yeah.
might as well target the truckers about it, cause...
Yeah, because, I mean, lot lizards and shit like that.
Yeah.
Which, that thing's funny, and we went to, shit, probably 4 or 5 months ago. We were driving around looking for, I can't remember what kind of drink we wanted. I think, oh no, I wanted Dr. Pepper, and none of the Pete's had 1 liter of Dr. Pepper. So we were driving around to the different gas stations, and she stayed in her pajamas, you know, we only went to grab drinks.
Yeah.
And I stayed in the truck while she ran inside, and we went to Casey's. We get back home, and I hear the dogs barking, and I'm like, what the hell are they barking at? And then she comes in the bathroom, she says, there's 2 cops at the door looking for you. I said, what? She goes, yeah, there's 2 cops at the door looking for you. So I got up, wiped my ass and shit, you know, went to the door, and they're like, yep, there's the weird beard they were talking about because of my little chin strip.
Oh, yeah.
And he's like, somebody saw you 2 at the gas station, thought she looked like she was in distress and it might be a trafficking case, so they called us.
Oh, God. Oh, that's great.
Yeah, I said, man, we've been married, at the time I was like, we've been married for going on 11 years. At this point, both of us are in distress.
Oh, that's funny shit.